Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're transforming a humble cauliflower into crispy, flavorful bites. Let's dive in. Begin by preparing your cauliflower. Remove the leaves and core and break it into bite-sized florets. Next, let's mix a simple yet tasty coating. You'll need flour, garlic powder, paprika, and a pinch of salt and pepper. For a spicy kick, add some cayenne pepper. Adjust to your taste. In another bowl, whisk together eggs and a splash of milk. This will help the coating stick to the cauliflower. Dip each floret into the egg mixture. Let the excess drip off, and then roll it in the flour mixture. Ensure it's fully coated for ultimate crispiness. Heat some oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Fry the florets until golden brown, about 3-4 minutes per side. For a healthier version, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, and lay the florets on a baking sheet. Bake for 20 minutes, flipping halfway until they are crisp and golden. While the cauliflower bites cook, let's whip up a quick dipping sauce. Combine Greek yogurt, a squeeze of lemon juice, chopped dill, and a pinch of salt. This adds a refreshing contrast to the spicy cauliflower. Once your bites are cooked, serve them hot with a side of delicious dipping sauce. There you have it. Crispy cauliflower bites that are perfect for any occasion. Give them a try and let us know what you think.